Hi, I'm Dan Stanton. Welcome to BPI TV. I'm joined with Dr Laurens Sierkstra from Thermo Fisher Scientific. Laurens, welcome.
Hey, good afternoon, Dan.
I wouldn't mind discussing with you some of the what you see as some of the largest trends going on in the biopharma manufacturing space at the moment. What are you kind of seeing?
So one of the main trends in the industry is that people are moving away from traditional monoclonals. And if you look to the clinical trials which are ongoing, a lot of them are actually not basically the traditional monoclonals anymore, but they're moving away to other types of modalities, like fusion proteins, bispecifics in the antibody field. But of course, things like gene therapy, cell therapy, fusion proteins, that is really, let's say, a key trend in the industry.
Is there a problem with all these novel therapies coming through that there aren't any particularly standardized platforms or technologies to manufacture these?
Yeah, so what you've seen over the last 20 years, that a lot of research has been done to indeed optimize monoclonal production, both from the upstream side, where titers have been increasing, a lot of research has been spent on that, as well as develop the full downstream process for that, so that it's really, truly a platform. And actually, when you go to all of the newer therapies, those platforms are lacking, both in upstream as well in downstream. So yes, you could say that there are some challenges for these type of novel molecules.
And I know you were speaking earlier today about the purification solutions for some of these next generation biotherapeutics. Could you talk me very briefly through some of the highlights from your presentation?
Yeah, so that presentation was indeed all about focusing on new molecular modalities. So, for example, we work together with a company called Genethon in France, one of the pioneers in gene therapy, where we collaborated with that customer to develop a process, a real platform process for their gene therapy particles, which enabled them to reduce the amount of steps in their process and actually making these products more affordable as being new therapies. Another example was with Roche, one of our other customers, where they engineered monoclonal antibody, which didn't fit in their platform because there was a limitation on protein A, which is the predominant downstream tool in monoclonals. And we worked together with them to adopt one of our products into their processes, as well enabling them to have it fit in their facility.
And I guess, how important is it to work with the end user, or I guess the CMO even, to develop these sort of technologies and get it just right?
For us that is crucial, right? So within Thermo Fisher, the whole objective is to really partner with the customer and to ensure that we understand their problems and issues, or else indeed, as you say, we as a vendor cannot develop the right tool. So we as a vendor are really truly seeing our customers as a partner in this, to ensure that we can make the products which actually help them succeed as well. And I think that is key in developing these products. We as a vendor cannot have access to all kinds of different molecules, nor can we know all problems, right? But together with our customers, we can, and then we can as well as an innovative company, and certainly in downstream as well, enable some of these solutions to actually come to the market.
And I guess finally, is there, Thermo Fisher seems to have the full spectrum of upstream to downstream end-to-end processing equipment available. Is there anything that Thermo Fisher lacks or is looking to invest in, whether it's a new technology or just a gap in its offering?
Again, Thermo Fisher always, of course, is looking to span that whole workflow, and I think currently we do have a lot of components in that workflow. And of course they always try and invest in innovative technologies. I mean, our technology, for example, by itself was acquired by Thermo Fisher only 4 years ago. So yes, they always are on the lookout for new innovative solutions which can fit in the bioprocessing workflow and actually add value there. And that has been the main reason as well for actually acquiring our technology, which is extremely suitable for all kinds of new therapeutics which are coming to market.
Well, Laurens, thank you very much for taking the time to speak to me today.
Okay, thanks as well.
Thank you. For BPI TV, I'm Dan Stanton.